Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study about P&ID, that is process and instrumentation diagram. Students, this is the part 1 of P&ID explanation video. Okay, further we will also see different parts of P&ID related videos. Okay, so let's see, this is first part of the P&ID explanation video. So see here, this is the simple arrangement of P&ID. Okay, so here this P&ID shows that the water from the water or liquid or effluent from the underground tank transfers with the help of these centrifugal pumps to the overhead tank. Okay, so this is the simple arrangement. Let's first see the legend. Here CP means centrifugal pump, CPM is centrifugal pump motors, FV is foot wall, GV is gate wall, NRV is non-return wall, BV is ball wall, PG is pressure gauge, and GL is ground level. Okay, so here this arrangement shows that this centrifugal pumps has negative suction, that is suction lift. Okay, so we need the priming arrangement also for these pumps to prevent the dry running of these pumps. If pumps are dry run, then it causes damage to the pumps. Okay, so we have used here this priming arrangement. Some pumps we in some pump we use manual priming. Okay, centrifugal pumps are not self priming. Okay, these are not self priming pumps which we are using here. So in some pumps there is as you can, in this case we are calling it as a hole. There is a hole or piping arrangement from where we can prime the centrifugal pump casing and suction line. Okay, okay, that is prime means we are pouring the water before starting the pump. Okay, so here see, this is the another priming arrangement which we will discuss later. Okay, so see here, these are the suction lines, two suction lines, okay, of 18-inch we have considered here. Students, here kindly note that all the nomenclatures which we had used here, this is indicative purpose only to understanding this P&ID. Okay, so what is P&ID actually, for understanding that? So here see, at the end of the suction line here we have used foot walls. Foot walls prevents the debris to enter into the suction line and into the pump. Okay, and it also prevents the backflow of the water or effluent or any other liquid. Okay, which helps the suction line to be filled with the liquid. Okay, so here these are the foot walls. This is actually a type, you can call it as a type of check wall also, as it prevents the backflow and allows only one directional flow. Okay, so water or effluent or any other liquid goes from the suction line to the centrifugal pump through these isolation walls. Okay, we have used here gate wall as a isolation wall. After that, these are the flange arrangement, as you can see here, flanges, and this is the centrifugal pump symbol. Okay, as you can see here, and this centrifugal we have used here one working and one standby pumps, that is CP1 and CP2. Okay, so here this centrifugal pump is driven by the centrifugal pump motor which we have shown here. Okay, after that further is the discharge line, as you can see here 103. Okay, on this discharge line we have used here pressure gauge PG1, which helps helps to indicate the pressure at the discharge line. Okay, further on this line we have used here NRV, which prevents the backflow of the liquid from the overhead tank and allows only the one directional flow. And here another gate valve we have used, which acts as a isolation valve, okay, for this arrangement. Okay, after that the water goes to, or water or effluent or liquid goes to the overhead tank, as you can see here. Okay, so, and now let's see this priming arrangement. We have used here this force, we water from the source we forces to go into the centrifugal pump casing and suction line through this ball wall. Okay, so water goes like this. Okay, when centrifugal pumps are not primed or required the priming, that time we use this type of arrangement also, which helps to fill the liquid inside the pump casing and the suction line. Okay, so students, now see here we have provided the line number for each line. In the P&ID we need to provide the line number for the process line, as or as you can see here we have provided the line number. So now I am explaining you this line number. Okay, and this is the general explanation for you. So here see, this P indicates here process fluid, okay, and 12-inch indicates the line size or pipe size, and A19A indicates the piping class. So, okay, and here 105 indicates the line number. Okay, so students, in this part 1 of P&ID explanation video, we have understood this simple arrangement of transferring the liquid from the ground tank to the overhead tank through the with the help of centrifugal pumps. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.